How do you breathe? Are you one of those people who's breathing up in their chest like this? Or do you use your diaphragm, that big muscle just under your ribs there, breathing deep into your lungs? Like that. A lot of us tend to, especially when we get stressed, breathe more into the upper chest. That uses a lot of these muscles around the neck, and sometimes you can get a stiff, sore neck, you can get a headache, or even upper back pain. Maybe none of those things. But it's good to practice using our diaphragm so that we can also not only use our whole lungs there and get those ribs down the bottom moving as well, but also help stimulate our parasympathetic nervous system, which is that rest and digest and repair nervous system. So if you've got any injuries you're trying to overcome, it's a good one to try. So here's how we're going to do it. So when you're lying down for the breathing exercise using our diaphragm, what we're going to do is use our hands for feedback. We're going to have one hand on the top of our chest to feel how much that's rising and falling. We're going to have one hand just on our belly. We're going to alternate hand positions just on the side and on the top, because when we're breathing in, we want to aim not only to raise the hand in the front, but also to move it on the sides, because our ribs expand on the side as well. And we don't want to just be trying to, inflate our belly here. We want to just expand the rib cage when we're breathing in. So what we're going to do is we'll do a 4-second breath in, 4-second hold at the top, 4-second breath out, and then 4-second hold after that. You're going to do that 10 times at the end of the day in bed. So what that's going to look like is like this. And what you can do is just, like I said, move the hand from side to side, so you can put your hand on the side of your ribs to feel that you are expanding in the side there too. So deep breath in. And just feel for that rib movement. At the start, you might find that your upper hand is still moving a lot, and that's okay. Over time, you will start to use more of those lower ribs to move when you're concentrating on this kind of breathing. It just might take a bit of time. So try that, try it at the end of your day, do 10 times. So 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out. If you're uncomfortable doing the 4-second hold out, that's okay. You can skip that bit and just do 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, and 4 seconds out. Have a go at that and see how it feels.